Okay, so guys, this is the reading for the month of April 2021. Okay, it's a situationship reading. This reading is for Pisces, what Pisces is going through. Okay, it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so let's see what's going on with you guys. Okay. Yes. If you want to book and enroll for one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to book, personal readings and enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, you can contact me. The details are given in the description box below. If you want to have a Vastu session with me, the details are given in the description box below. Everything is given in the description box below, guys. Okay. Pisces, what you are going through. You are waiting for an adventure. You feel that you are taking guidance either with someone, or you feel that you need to take a guidance. There's an imbalance going on between head and heart. What you are going through. Okay, that's the thing. There is a major disappointments happening. Okay. In your life currently in the month of April, there's something thunderbolt, something is going to shake your life upside down very soon. Okay, so just be careful about it. It might be good, it might be bad, but it will be happening. You're maturing, you're understanding the facts and figures, and realizations are happening about you. Okay, yes. If you are not trusting your inner voice, then I would suggest you trust your inner voice. You are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. You feel bad when someone compares you with someone else. Okay, and you don't like comparisons because that disappoints you. Okay, you're going through some major spiritual awakening. Third eye chakra is opening for you. Whatever you have vision, you will see beyond the illusions. Okay, you will see the reality. You will see the true people around you. Okay, you are in a defending mode right now. You are being very rebellious. Okay, correct. Wow. You feel that a lot of fighting is going on either between head and heart or outside you. Okay, and that is creating a lot of chaos into your life, problems, fights. A lot of delays are happening into your life currently. Okay, you feel that there is a guilt going on into your life related to certain things in life. Okay, your third eye chakra is definitely opening. You are going through some major spiritual awakening, Pisces. Okay, so let's see what's going on with you guys. Okay, there's a wish fulfillment which will be happening either in the month of April or within next 9 months. You're gaining a clarity about situations. Okay, in the month of April. Also one more thing, if there is hidden truths, hidden secrets, that will be coming out in the month of April. Okay, yes, you are moving towards victory. You are taking action towards victorious life. You will be being into your own power now. You will not be into you will be into your own power. You will be loyal, you will be dominating, you will be into your own power. Okay, if in the past you were sad thinking about the past or the past situation which disappointed you, you are moving on completely. Yeah, like you are no more thinking about that person, you are completely moving on. Okay, you are gaining a clarity related to certain situation either into your career life or into your relationship. Okay, now sometimes you feel weak into a situation. Okay, or if there is any fatherly energy, they feel weak into a situation in front of you. Okay, because you are gaining a lot of power. Okay, that's the thing. Lot of intuition level, you're not trusting your intuition level. You should trust your intuition level in the month of April. Yes, karmic justice is about to take place within the next 6 months. Karmic endings are on the horizon for you, and you can see it, you can feel it, but you just cannot claim it or accept it, that what are the karmic relationships you are having with anyone, and when are the endings will be taking place. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you feel stuck into a situation, you want to take an action, you want to reach out to someone, but you cannot. That's the problem. Okay, nothing is going on solid into your life, into your married life, or you feel disappointed into a relationship. Okay, That's the thing. You feel a lot. You are releasing a burden of the past person or past baggage. You are releasing whatever happened in the past, okay? And whatever happened in the past, if it was a major um, major shake-up was there in the past. Now in the month of April you will be having a lot of sleepless nights, so think about it, because you are going through anxiety issues, sleepless nights, depression. If you are going through some major spiritual awakening, you will be having a lot of emotions and you will hit the rock bottom of your emotions. Trust me, one day you will feel happy, the other day you will be crying, the third day will be very happy day for me, for you, and fourth day will be very sad day for you, okay? So those kind of things will be happening, okay? You will be taking action towards someone or something. Your heart chakra your heart chakra is not being healed properly yet. It needs time, okay? You are understanding who was taking advantage of you, who was using you for money or for relationships or for physical things, so who were possessive about you. So you are understanding a lot of things, and you still are there, you are still near sneaky energy or manipulative energy around you, okay? You need to get away from it, Pisces, okay? And you feel that there's no opportunity coming towards you. It's taking coming towards you and taking a U-turn and going. That's the problem, okay? You need to release sneaky energy, manipulative energy, but now you are gaining a lot of clarity since you are going through spiritual awakening. No, you are gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation, okay? That's the thing, okay? Yes, you are focusing and working towards a lot of stability, okay? You want to communicate related to certain things, to certain people. You want to have a certain heart-to-heart communication with the person. There's a new beginning waiting for you, okay? New beginning is on the horizon for you within next 4 months. Trust me, you are going to have a new beginning. In the past, you were trying to solve a lot of issues, obstacles, problems which is coming your way, but now in the month of April, from now, you're not going to settle for less. You'll be like, I am not solving that particular obstacle, I am sitting back and I am just seeing what is happening. You're just going with the flow. That's awesome. New beginning is on the horizon. You will have a very independent energy very soon. Something karmic justice needs to take place within next 6 months, 7 months. Karmic endings as on the horizon for you, whether it's your family, parents, relationships around you. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, okay? Before you were being very emotional, now you are being very practical, okay? So yeah, that's the thing. Amazing, beautiful. Okay, so if there is, you are seeing a goal and a particular aim, okay? You are being very stressed out, okay, related to certain things, and you want to achieve certain sort of goal or aim, okay, for yourself. So it will be coming, that goal will be getting fulfilled very soon within next 7 months. I think you want to travel overseas somewhere, Pisces, okay? Within next 2 months, it might be a possibility that you might travel somewhere next 2 to 4 months, okay? You are feeling unstuck. Whatever whatever hard work you do, you feel that the amount of money you should get, you are not getting it, and it really creates chaos into your life, okay? So now you will not be settling for less, which is very good, okay? So you are waiting for a new beginning, taking a risk, but it's not happening. It's not going to happen right now, okay? It will take time. Within next 7 months, you might get into a new beginning. New opportunity will happen for you. Endings and new beginnings will be in horizon for you, and a lot of patience you need to deal with within this year, okay? Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. Do not feel stuck into a situation, because I see that you are gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation, which is very good, Pisces, okay? Let's see what are the universal energies telling to you, okay? In the month of April is like very positive for you. Let's see, it's just that few things you need to focus on: endings and new beginnings, karmic relationship ending, okay? So those you need to deal with by your own self. No one else will deal with that, okay? So yeah, let's see. Okay, Okay, so the first universal message is I choose love no matter what. You will choose love no matter what. I surrender to a power greater than me. Universe has your back, Pisces. So universe, whatever is happening in your life currently, it's the universal thing, okay, not your thing. So do not blame yourself, okay. The third one, in any moment I can surrender to the powerful presence of love through prayer, contemplation, and stillness. Wow. The fourth, there's a stream of love supporting my dreams. So a lot of support is given by the universe, okay. And yeah, in your dreams a lot of things are happening which you also don't realize by yourself. You will realize it very soon, okay. So what angels needs to tell you, let me tell you. Okay, so angels wants to tell you, fulfill your life with gratitude. Be grateful this month for whatever you're doing every single day. A lot of opportunities are opening up for you. A lot of wisdom you are getting. A lot, just listen to the lot of knowledge, wisdom you'll be learning this month. And divine interference is there. Divine intervention is there from the God and the universe. So a lot of things you will be getting. You will be becoming wiser this month, okay. And positivity, you will be having a lot of positivity once this spiritual awakening comes to an end, okay. Not between that, because spiritual awakening is a very worst process, but it gives you the best result after that, okay. So kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope this situation is going with you, and yes, comment down below with how many people it resonated. Pisces, bye bye, take care.